In today's class, we are going to see the example which I said. So, in yesterday's class, what I said, you have to solve this example, no? So, in today's class, I am going to solve example 1. Identify the 4-digit number represented using blocks. Okay? Also, write the number name of each. Sir, you have to identify the number, which number is it, and you have to write the number name. So, in A, there is a cube. Okay? Here there is a cube, and next you are having 3 squares like this. Okay, so they are having some rows and columns, no? So instead of drawing all this, I will say with the example. So here A, it is having one cube, 3 squares, and 1 2 3 4 tall boxes. Next you are having small 2 boxes. Okay, so this one is 1000, these 3 are 100, and 1 2 3 4 these are tens, and these 2 are ones. So 1000, these are 3, 100 100 100 300, 1 2 3 4 42. Okay, what is the first one? 1342. Yes, this is the number. Next one, B. So here you can see how many cubes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 5000. These 2 are 10 10 20. 5020 is the second one. Okay, 5020 is the second one. So first one is, you are having 1 cube means 1000, 3 squares means 300, 4 tall boxes, okay, like building, 40. Next you are having 2 small cubes, that is 1342. In B you are having what? 1 2 3 4 5 cubes and 2 taller boxes means 5020. That is the answer. Okay, he has given the solution. Once again you have to go through that. Okay, so next one, just a minute. Next one, example 2. What is the example 2? Write the number shown on the abacus. So this is the abacus, no? You are having 4 rods in that. Okay, so this is 1's rod, 10's rod, 100's rod, 1000's rod. What he is telling, write the number shown on the abacus. He has given some number which is included in the abacus form of beads. You have to count the beads and write what is that number. So here how many beads are there in thousands place? 9 beads are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 beads are there. 9 beads in which place? So what answer? This is 9. Nothing. So this is 0 0 0. 9000 is the number. Okay, so this is the first one. A is completed. Next we have to B. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4. So 1 2 3. Okay, here 1 2 3. Okay, here 1 2, and here it is 1. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so in thousands place how many beads you are having? 3. Here also in hundreds place 3. In tens place 2. In ones place 1. What is the number? 3321. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, so we have completed this exercise, example 2. Next, there is a cross connect. So here is an important point, you have to remember this. Cross connect, it is there. So in 1522, Ferdinand Magellan. So this type of questions will be asked in your GK. Okay, Ferdinand Magellan. His name is Ferdinand Magellan. He is a person. Proved that Earth is round in shape. Earth is round in shape. Okay, write the number name for the number. You have to write the number name. What is the number name for this? 1522. Okay, 1522. He is asking the number name of this year. Okay, what is that? 1522. You have to write that. Okay, next one. What is the next one? So here it is there, exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. In this, write the number names of the for the following numbers. Okay, so he is asking to write the number names. First one, 2674. What is the number name? 2674. So what is the number name? 2674 means 2000. Here ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. 2 in thousands place, 2000. 6 is in hundred place, 600. 7 in tens place, 7 into 10, 70. 4 in 1 place, 4. Okay, 2674. By seeing you can directly write. Okay, 1723. Okay, 1723 is the answer. Okay, 1723. Next, here 4228. 4228. This is the answer. So I am directly, if you don't understand, you have to clear your basics. Okay, 3751. This is a 4-digit number. So 3000. All are 4-digit numbers only. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are 4-digit numbers only. 3700. 3751. Okay, this is the 3751. So next one, (3751). So E 6743. 6000. Just a minute. So what is this number? 6743. 6743. Okay, 6743 means 6743. This is the number. Okay, 6743. 7. Next one is what? F 5401. 5401. Okay, next one, G is what? 8320. All he gave 4-digit numbers only. 8000. 8320. Okay, so H is how much? 9637. 9600. 37. Okay, that is the answer, 9637. Okay, clear. So H is completed. Up to H, this is completed. So your first bit is completed. Clear? Your first bit is completed. So let us move to your second bit. These are very easy, that's why I am telling them fast. Okay, so you have to understand them very clearly. In your page number, how much? 85. Next page, 85. I have forgot to write. Okay, second bit is what? Write the numerals for the following number names. Write the numerals for the following number names. Okay, in that first one, he has given the number names. You have to write the number reverse. Okay, just now in first bit he has given the number, we wrote the number name. Here what you have to do, he gave the number name, we have to write the numeral, means number. Okay, 8488. What is the number? 8488. 8488. This is the number. Okay, next one, 4044. So what he is telling? 4044. Okay, 4 is in thousands place, 40 means in tens place, this is in ones place. Okay, in hundreds place it is 0. Okay, just for your understanding I am telling like that. 2700. 2700. What is that number? 2700. Okay, D is how much? 5000. Only 5000, that's all. 5 is in thousands place, remaining all are 0. F, A B C D E. E no? It is E. 9832. 9832. Okay, what is the number? 9832. 9382. This is the number. Okay, F is what? 6003. So what is the number? 6003. 6003. EFG. G is how much? 1211. 1211. 1211. This is the number. Okay, 1211. So next one, last one in this bit. What is that last one? 3000. 956. 3956. 3956 means 3 is in thousands place, 9 is in hundreds place, 5 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. So with this we have completed your exercise 2.1 first bit and second bit. Okay, so you have to be perfect. Okay, once again you have to go through this first bit and second bit. You have to read the heading carefully. What he is asking, he is giving a number and he is asking a number name, or whether he is giving the number name and whether he is asking the number. You should know the difference. Okay, if he gives the number, you have to write the number name. If he gives the number name, you have to write the number. So once again you have to go through this up to from here, example 1 to this second bit. Once again you have to revise. Okay, you should get perfect which digit is coming in which place. Okay, you have to get perfect, and then in next class we will continue with this third bit. Okay, fill the missing numbers. Clear? So once again you have to revise everything. Clear? So students, in today's class we will discuss from fourth bit. Okay, write numbers formed by the following blocks. This is your fourth bit in your page number 85 only. Fourth bit is what? Write the numbers formed by the following blocks. Okay, just a minute. So write the numbers formed by the following blocks. Clear? Write the numbers formed by the following blocks. So A, in A, what he has given? He has given 4 cubes. Each value, for each cube, what is the value? 4000. So what is the value? 4000 total. If you are adding 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, what it will become? 4000. Next he has given 1. So what is this? This is a square. We are considering it as a square. Okay, so what is this? This is 100. It is not an exact square, it is a 3D figure whose width is very small. Okay, so we can consider it as a square. So here this is a building like box. So value of each box is how much? 10. So 4000 is 4 cubes. 100 means one square like box. Okay, here this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 tall boxes are there, means 8 into 10 80. Okay, 8 into 10 means how much? 80. Okay, plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 smaller boxes are how much? 6. So if you add them totally, what you will get? 4186. This is the answer. First A answer is this one. 4 cubes, each value is 1000. 4 into 1000. Okay, here 1 into 100. Okay, this is 80. 8 into 10 means 8 number of tall boxes. 100 into 1 means 1 square like box. 4000 boxes means 4 cubes, each of them value is 1000. So this is 6. 6 means 1 into 6. 6 into 1, 6 number of small cubes, each value is 1. No, that's why I have written 1 here. So with this we have completed your A. Next one, B. If you can look at your B, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 cubes are there. Value of 1 cube is how much? 1000. So here 8 are there. 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, 4000. This is 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000. So what is the answer? 8000 means how much? This is the number of boxes. Okay, number of boxes. This is the value of each box. Okay, you are having 8 boxes, means 8 cubes. Value of each cube is how much? 1000. So if you are multiplying, you are getting 8000. Clear? So like that you have to understand. In C, you are having a cube. Okay, it is a cube. I am not drawing the rows and columns in it. You have to understand by seeing. C, you are having one cube, 4 squares, 4 squares. Next you are having 4 tall boxes. In that you are having small. So each tall box will have 10 small boxes, means the value of this total box is 10. Previously also we have discussed that. Okay, so you are having tall boxes how many? So I am not drawing, I am drawing it very roughly. Okay, so actually they are cube, means you are having 10 small cubes here. So if you can't understand this what I am telling, you have to see here. So there is a cube, there are 4 squares and 4 tall boxes like this. I am just drawing the outline. Okay, so this value is how much? 1000. So here each value of this box is enta, means how much? 100. Okay, 100, 100, 100, 100, 400. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are having tall boxes, each value is how much? 10. This is 40. How you got? 4 into 10. 4 number of tall boxes. This one 4 into 100. 4 number of squares. This is 1000. 1 into 1000. 1 number of cube. Okay, so cube value is 1000. This square value is 100. So you are having 4, no? 4 into 100. So these are, each value is 10. Each tall box value is 10. So 4 into 10, you are having 40. So what is the total number? Add this 1000 plus 400 plus 40. So 1440. That is the answer. Clear? Next one, D. This is the last one in this bit. So you are having 2 cubes. You are having 2 cubes. Then you are having 2 squares. Okay, then you are having one tall box. Next you are having 4 small cubes. So value of each cube is how much? 1000. You are having 2. So 2 into 1000. Clear? Value of each square box is how much? 100. You are having 2, no? 2 into 100. Okay, so value of each tall box is how much? 10. 1 into 10. Okay, value of each small cubes, each of them value is how much? 1. You are having 4. So 4 into 1. So when you add all this, what you will get? 2 into 1000, 2000 plus 2 into 100, 200 plus 1 into 10, 10 plus 4 into 1, 4. What is the answer? 2214. If you add all this, you will get 2214. Like that, you have to, by seeing the type of boxes, you have to understand that cube box is value is 1000, square box value is 100. You have to remember that. It is very easy for you. Okay, so with this we have completed your 4th bit, no? So next, 5th bit is what? Write the numbers represented on the abacus. write the numbers represented on the abacus. Clear? A, you are having 4 rods, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So no need of writing always here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So first rod is ones, second rod from right to left. First rod is ones, second tens, next hundreds, next thousands. Like that you have to remember. So from here we will not write anything like this. So we will directly understand, because if I write like this, again if I don't write it, next time you will get confused. From here only you should understand by seeing the rods. From right to left we are going. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so like that. So ones rod is having how many beads here? 5 beads are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Completed. Next, tens rod is having 2 beads. Next, hundreds rod is having 1 bead. Next, this thousands rod is having 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, just a minute. Okay, you are having 7 beads here in thousands rod. Yes, 7 only, 7 only. So how many beads are there in 7 ones rod? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to write 5 below the ones rod. Okay, next, what he has given, write the numbers represented on the abacus. If you count the number of beads and if you count the number of beads, you will get one number. So like that we have to, one number is represented in the abacus. What is that? We have to write in the numerical form. How you will get? If you count the number of beads only, you will get. So 5 beads are there in ones rod. We have written 5. Next, in tens rod 2 beads are there. In hundreds rod 1 bead is there. In thousands rod 7 beads are there. What is the total number which is represented is the abacus? 7125 is the number. Okay, so what is the number represented in the abacus? 7125. That is the number. Okay, so let's see the second one, B. How many rods are there? If your abacus is having 4 number of rods, then the number which is represented in the abacus will have 4 digits. If the abacus is having 5 number of rods, then the number represented on the abacus will be having, the final answer will be having 5 digits. 5 digit number you will get. Okay, so let us see that. So in ones rod there is nothing. Okay, so you have to leave it. In tens rod there are 3 beads. Okay, next, in hundreds rod how many beads are there? In hundreds rod you are having only 1 bead. In thousands rod you are having how many beads? 5 beads. 5 beads are there. Okay, so you have to count. In ones rod no bead is there, so you have to keep 0. So in tens rod 3 beads are there. In hundreds rod 1 bead is there. In thousands rod 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads are there. So what is the final number? 5130. So how many rods are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digit numbers you got? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many rods are there? That many digits you will get in the number. You have to remember that, because from rods only, from counting the beads in the particular digit only, we are writing the numbers, no? So how many rods are there? That many numbers you will, that many digit numbers you will get. Okay, so we have completed this B. Next, C. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rods are there. In ones place how many beads are there here? 8 beads. 8 beads are there. In tens place 3 beads are there. In hundreds place 5 beads are there. In thousands place 7 beads are there. One, two, three, four. So you are having 4 rods. You will get 4-digit number only. So in ones place how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to write 8 below the ones rod. So in tens rod how many are there? 1, 2, 3. So you have to write 3 below the tens rod only. Okay, next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In hundreds rod you are having 5, no? Write 5 below the hundreds rod. Okay. So in thousands rod how many are there? 7 are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 only. Okay, so you have to keep 7 here. So 7538, 7538 is the number. Okay, next one, D. So next one also you are having 4 digits. 4 rods means 4 digits only, no? Yes. So this is 4. 4. In ones rod you are having 4 beads. In tens rod you are having 2 beads. In hundreds rod you are having 3 beads. In thousands rod you are having 3, 3, 3. 9 beads. Okay. So in hundreds rod you are having 9 beads. So in ones rod how many are there? 4. You have to write 4 here. In tens rod you are having 2. In hundreds rod you are having 3. In thousands rod you are having 9. So 9324, 9324. That is the answer. Okay. So what is that next bit? So we have completed this bit now. So what is the next bit? 6th bit. So in 6th bit it is very easy for you. 6th bit is easy. Show the following numbers on the abacus. So in previous bit he gave the abacus, we have to write the number. Here he gave the number, we have to represent it on the abacus. Following numbers on the abacus. First 2 I will say, next 2 are for your homework. Okay. A, B I will say, C, D are for your homework. Okay. So A, first one, the number is 3985, means this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, 3 is in thousands place, no? So I am drawing the abacus. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. So in ones rod 5 is there. How many beads I should draw? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In tens rod 8 is there. How many beads I should draw in tens rod? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So in hundreds place 9 is there. How many beads I should draw in hundreds place? Hundreds rod, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in hundreds place 9 is there, no? So I have to draw 9 beads in hundreds rod. In thousands rod, how many I have to draw? In thousands place 3 is there, no? So in thousands rod I have to draw 3 beads. So this is the number. So 3, 9, 8, 5. Clear? 5, these are 8, these are 9, these are 3. 3, 9, 8, 5. So like that, you should not write the number. You have to just draw the beads. Okay? Clear? So next number. So first one is completed. 7892. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay? No need of writing always. For first one is for your understanding, that's why I wrote. From here I will not write the places. Okay, you should remember. So ones place you are having 2. How many should be drawn in ones rod? 2. Okay. In tens place you are having 9, no? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, no. In tens place you are having 9. In tens rod you have to draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next, in hundreds place you are having 8. Here also you should draw 8 beads in hundreds rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, in thousands place you are having 7. In thousands rod you have to write 7, draw 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this number we have represented on the abacus. So next two are for your homework. C and D are for your homework. We will continue next topic in the next class. So you have to complete your homework. Okay, thank you.